Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to find the area of a square. By the end of this video you'll be able to solve them easily. Let's get started. Now for squares we can find the area by squaring a side length. So we can use the formula area equals a side length squared. For this square each side is 6 centimeters. So let's plug in 6 centimeters here for our side length. So 6 squared. 6 squared means 6 times 6, which gives us an area of 36 square centimeters. Now, let's move on number 2, where we have a square with sides that are 10 inches. You will notice that we only have one side labeled, and that's because this is a square, and we know all of the sides are going to be the same. They are all going to be 10 inches. The tick marks on each side of the square shows us that they are all the same. As far as area, let's use the formula. Area equals side length squared. Each side is 10 inches. So let's plug in 10 inches for the side length. So 10 squared, that means 10 times 10, which gives us an area of 100 square inches. And there you have it, how to find the area of a square. Just remember, area is the amount of surface a shape covers, and for squares, we can square a side length to find the area. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more math tips and tricks. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.